Currently looking at two different assets. S&P 500 and Forex. EU on Forex. $6:46 a.m. New York session. Got me some tea right here. And a little snack. So price is definitely in my zone for Euro US dollar. I'm just waiting for a reversal. I'm waiting for price to give me exactly what it did right here. And then I'll be placing that trade on Alpha Traders platform. And I'm waiting for this liquidity to be swept. Looks like it's being swept right now. Looks like this liquidity is being swept. I like to see price push up into this zone and show me some reversals so that I can get in to the downside. So we're looking for sales today. Sales on both of these pairs. And when we wait, that's the game plan. We wait for it. Patience is key. We know what direction we want to go in. We just can't go too heavy so that we blow the account, which we're not going to do. 2.5 years of struggle to finally arrive at this moment to where I'm fairly confident in what I'm actually doing. 2.5 years of struggle, though. 2.5 years of not making a dollar. And we wait. Now we wait. I probably could do some reading, but I think I'm just going to play on my phone and look at my stocks. I think that's what I'm going to do. I think EU is a little bit closer. I'm going to have to place this trade first. So let's keep watching. My custom indicator only works with the futures market. It's not necessarily working on Forex. Actually, no, it's not working on the futures market either. I think I got to reload it. Let me refresh. Hold on. Let me see something. This thing be tripping sometimes. That's the wrong one. Yeah, it looks like it's not going. I probably gotta have ChatGPT redo it. Give me another Pine script. I don't know what's going on. It's fine though. I know where I am. So it looks like the stock market is red today. We had a red day yesterday. Lost $87.68 in the portfolio. Today we're down $46.91 in the portfolio, and I have zero cash to spend. Wish I had some cash to deploy to buy some more assets while they're down. UTG is definitely under. Could use some more shares of that. Subscribe if you want me to go through my investing portfolio. But today we trade live. I probably should turn on one of these lights for you guys. Give me 1 second. I don't know what the visibility is looking like over there on your end. I'm gonna help you out. I'm gonna help you out, my boy. Hopefully that's a little better. So we're getting a doji around that area. I need to see a pivot signal and preferably a flat Hakanashi candle. But if I get my signals, then we're gonna get in. We're gonna put some risk on the table. And we're gonna place a trade on EU. Let's see what I kind of wanted this to push a little bit higher. This might be the rejection point. I'm not sure. If it gives me a red doji, maybe. If this closes a red Hakanashi, I might get in. I might get in. That's close enough. It ain't. Well, yeah, it's kind of close enough. Maybe the zone might be off just a tad. I thought it was gonna push up a little bit more, but oh, this look like it's ready. Yeah, this look like it's ready. We're getting in on EU. Put some risk on the table. Let's put some risk on the table. Oh shit, what a TP. TP, let's go down here. Add some more risk on the table. Where's my stop loss? Oh shit. Uh-oh. Pop-ups. Hopefully this video come through okay. I don't know what my memory is like on my computer. Hopefully you guys get a good feed on your end. How do I stop loss down here? Okay, that's not good. We're trying to sell. This is a sell position. Okay. Stop loss. Take profit down here. Oh my God. If I could drag this. Down here. Stop loss. Come on, stop loss. All right, we in. So we got in at, it's probably a lot higher, yeah, than I needed to be, but that's okay. 14,091. 14,091. I think we got to 60 above that pivot point. Probably could be a little bit lower. Our entry was, they always give me shitty entries too. Okay, so 4160 is the stop loss. The entry is 14,091. 14,091. They got us saying at 91. Okay, so that's our entry. Our entry is correct. Stop loss is correct. Now let's fix the, let's make sure our, what was our target? Or what are we targeting? Targeting these lows. These 15-minute lows right here. I guess so we're gonna put the take profit at 39.50. Yeah, that's about right. Let's do 39.50. You got to refresh these things sometimes. They don't be working. All right, so 39.50. Confirmation. Okay, now we good. Alrighty. And we jump back over here. Hopefully we won't get stopped out. Hopefully. So we'll see if it's going to make a double top and then reverse. We'll see. Let's check on our futures trade. Looks like it might be making another push to the upside as well. I would prefer price to get above here. Let's see if we sweep these highs first. If we sweep these highs and then start reversing, that would be nice. Yeah, because there's some resistance right there. I see. I kind of see some resistance right here as well from these highs, but we'll see. 6.9. That's a little close. But it is above this pivot point, so we'll see. We shall see. We targeting 2.4. Yeah, I think we might clear these highs. I will feel better if I can see these highs being cleared, more liquidity being swept, because this is already being swept. If anybody put in any positions right here, they're in the red right now if they're going for buys. Well, not quite. We'll see. Or if they're going for sales right here. You have a little small sell momentum right here. All these if anybody put stop losses above here, they've been swept. Still not convinced to get in. Not yet. Not yet. It looks like I already did something right there. Okay. Double top. Yeah, I should have put a scared man entry. Sometime I do a scared man entry. There was a doji right here. Yep, that was a doji. This should have been my entry right here on that doji. I might do the same thing on the other one now. Put my entry at the doji. Even though it didn't get quite there. Well, I got, yeah, under it, right under it. Let's see if I can look for the same thing. Put my entry there. Right here. Well, that was the entry. It might be reversing now. Actually, let's do it. Let's do it. I don't know how many contracts I'm going to use, but let's go for a market order, a limit order, excuse me. Right there. Oh, gotta lower them. They triggered us in that quick. Damn, okay. Well, I guess we in the trade, y'all. We are in the trade with how many contracts? Two. We're in the trade with two contracts. We are live. We are live, boys and girls. So let's actually dial in. We always go for 1 to 2, usually. Is that 1 to 2? Yep. That's 29, about 29 ticks. I gotta check to make sure that's right. It might actually be pushing into that zone too, the zone I was waiting for earlier. So I gave myself a little breathing room because I know. Where did that candle close? See, it didn't even close red. I jumped the gun a little bit. I did. I jumped the gun a little bit. I probably should have put the entry at these highs right here. That's okay. That's okay. Okay. Not looking too bad. Let me see if that's comfortable. Hmm. Yeah, we got some wiggle room. We definitely got some wiggle room. Trying to see. Yeah, I kind of want to sweep this low. Yeah, I want to sweep this low. We'll see if we can sweep this low. Don't know if we're going to get it, all of it, but maybe right there. Oh, that wasn't even two. Oh, shit. Okay. I'm okay with that. We're giving up 19. We're trying to get 39.25. And if we can go all the way down here, that would be even better. Sweeping this low would give us 50 pips, 2.6. 2.6 wouldn't be bad. But I ain't going to complain with what we got. Let's try and see if we could. Where's the back button? Oh, shit. All right, so that's the 2 point. All right, let me refresh one more time. What am I eating? Sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, and walnuts. I got me some green tea over there, and I'm ready to trade. Yeah, I think I might be a little early. I might be a little early. Well, let me see. Let me see what the Hakanashi looking like. So we got a couple. Yeah, I probably should have waited for. Let me see. Yeah, I probably should have waited for another. I'm definitely early. I don't know. I don't know. I'm probably not gonna add anything until I start to see some real bullish momentum. I might add some more contracts, but not yet. Right now, it's too risky. I don't know. This might be the reversal point. We'll see. Oh, we did not get stopped out, did we? No, we didn't get stopped out. It did push into that zone though. It pushed back into that zone. But we did not get stopped out. We okay, we safe. Yeah, this is the reversal point. I guess we $55 in profit. I gave myself some room. Still wanted to go higher, but I did see some liquidity was swept. That's what me feel a little bit comfortable getting in, but we shall see. We still gonna see. Cause y'all know these markets be unpredictable. Unpredictable like a mug. Gotta crush my lemon up. Get that more alkaline. Okay. Price is pushing. Price is pushing nicely. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, and we see the I'm looking at the other tab, the Alpha Trades Futures. That one's starting to push in profit also. We're 48 cents in profit on Forex, 96 cents in profit on Forex. And we're 115. Nice, nice. Price is pushing nice in our favor on both trades. We're trading the futures market and the Forex market. I am not that good. I'm just that confident in how I trade. And you could do the same thing. I haven't received any money from the markets yet. I repeat, I have not received any money from the markets yet. This might be my first green month because I had 2 green weeks. I'm pushing into my 3rd green week in 2.5 years. Never had 2 weeks in the green in a row. And now I'm pushing into my 3rd green week in a row. Progress. Cheers to progress. Mm-hmm. Add a little honey. Unfiltered, raw, organic honey. I'll be doing a small workout after this. Probably in like, probably around 10 a.m., 11, maybe 10, 11 a.m. Workout, maybe post a piece of content or 2. Do some reading, and shit, that's the day. That's the day. I'm just in the process of scaling my capital. Trying to scale that capital up. Looking to get my first payout either this month or next month for sure. That's the goal. First payout, first profits from the market. It's pushing nicely. It gave us a double top. It swept liquidity. Yeah, it's looking like this might be it. Okay, we good. I should probably secure some profit. It'd be smart too. Yeah, we push it nicely. We push it nicely. I probably should add, but I'm not. I'm gonna be conservative. I'm gonna be safe. I'm just gonna put a stop loss right there for now. All right, so it's a risk-free trade. Let me check on the. I'm liking that. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm liking that. I ain't gonna lie to you. All right, so we want to see price push under these lows, and then price might pull down. Then we got more momentum to the downside. We'll see. We shall see. But it's a risk-free trade right now, in case they come back in reverse and stop us out. Let's check on Forex. Forex looking like the same thing. Same thing on the Forex. EU is pushing to the down. I actually bought this account on accident. Alpha Trader was offering. They were offering a $1,000 account for $1. I saw that in my email, and I was like, $1,000 account for $1. I need that. I ended up buying it. Then I found out, oh shit, this is for Forex. I thought I was done trading Forex because it's manipulated, it's not regulated. And here we are, right? Here we are trading Forex again. But I've been doing pretty good on this account, actually. I think I lost maybe 1 or 2 trades on this account, Forex side. I think I'm on like 5 trades in a row, 5 winning trades in a row. And we're doing pretty good on futures. Is futures, wait, what are we doing? Oh, we're pushing nicely. Okay, so we had $150 in profit. We'll see. We'll see where that retracement comes in. Oh shit! Like might be trying to knock me out right now. I should give it a little bit more room to retrace. That's what I'm thinking. Maybe to here. Let me see what the 15-minute look like. Oh, the 15-minute look nice. Okay. Okay. Yeah. That don't look bad. That don't look bad at all. Don't look bad at all. I'm not surprised if I see some reversals around this area, but we'll see how these next 2 candles close. Looks like the futures, the Forex is reversing. I haven't yet to put this in, secure this one yet, but if I see some more bullish momentum, I'll end up moving my stop loss and securing that as well. But I'm more like swing trading, kind of, on the euro dollar for Forex, because the Forex market don't close. That runs 24/7, so I'm a little bit more lenient. Price is starting to push, okay? We're starting to get a doji. Let me wait. It's on reverse. I might be kicked out of the trade right now. I might be kicked out. What are we doing? Okay, so we got kicked out of the trade. There's a gap right here. Let's remove everything. So we got out with maybe $50. If I could see a reversal off of this gap, I'm gonna get back in. So now I'm watching the actual candlesticks. We might be pushing. We might be sweeping that. We might be sweeping those highs. Maybe, I don't know. All right, so we're gonna chill on that for a couple candles to see what that's trying to do. It might be making a push to the upside to sweep some more liquidity because there was a fair value gap right here. That's been, it went past it though. It didn't respect it and then reject off of it. So I'm gonna wait. I don't know. At that doji. Yeah, that's giving me a flat. I don't like that. That's giving me a flat. I don't like that at all. It's cool though. We're gonna might push more to the upside. Might sweep this highs, come up into here, and then reverse off of that. We'll see. I'm gonna leave that alone for a little bit. Maybe we secure like $50, maybe $40, something like that. Let me check my P now. $51. We secure 51.65 out of that. I guess that's cool. I gotta wait though. You got to be very patient, my boy. Looks like the Forex is doing the same thing. It's reversing. I give myself a little bit of room on both of these trades. We'll see if these highs are swept before price chooses to reverse again. So we didn't make a new high right here. We did not make a new high right here. I'm still okay with that. So we might be making an equal high to this one or this one, as long as we don't break these highs. If we don't break these highs, I think I'll be okay. We're losing some money, but our stop loss is above the zone. So I think we'll be okay. And even if it does stop us out, maybe we'll get back in. Maybe. Just maybe. The 1 minute chart don't look too bad though. 1 minute chart looking the same on the other side. We're not breaking new highs. Okay, on the 1 minute chart, we didn't break this high. We got close to it. And look like this gave us an equal high. Now we're starting to reverse off that. So we'll see if there's some support right here. We see this catching a little bit of support. It might make another equal high before it drop back down. We'll see. We shall see. We shall see. Yeah, we'll see. You gotta be comfortable with sitting and drawdown. Gotta be comfortable with sitting and drawdown. It happens. It just happens. So, okay, we're getting another doji. I should actually put another. Yeah, we're starting to see the same thing. So I think I might put a. Well, I want to wait till this close first. Let me see what this does. Because I'm thinking about putting another market entry. Limit, excuse me. Damn, it's running without us. Fuck. It's running without us, bro. Damn. It's running without us. I should have just moved my stop loss, the original one. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. He might be running without us, bro. Yeah, I probably should have. I was playing too tight on bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. Giving us a nice doji too. Oh my god. I don't know if they can give us another entry. I'm thinking I should probably just get in. I'm thinking I should probably just get in. Yeah, there's resistance right there. Yeah, we got to get back in. We got to get back in, bro. I'm gonna take a market order. I gotta take a market order. I want to get in right, at least right. Tap me in somewhere. Tag team, tap me in, man. Tag team, tap me in. Yeah, it's about to. I'm gonna fuck around and miss it. Come on, tag me in. WWF style, bro. Tagging again. Damn, my computer running slow, bro. Get back in. This shit acting weird, bro. All right, I'm getting back in with the contracts this time. Maybe not 3 contracts then. That's what that thing pushing. So, all right, so we're back in. Still risking $200. 22 pips above that. Let's we'll see. We'll see. Look at the bigger picture. Yeah, I like to see these lows swept. I like to see these lows swept. Yeah, my computer is running slow, bro. That's crazy. I gotta delete some stuff off my computer, so I'm gonna be doing these lives fairly often. Well, I already secured 50. If we could sweep these lows. All right, I'm staying firm on this. I'll tinker around with it. I'm gonna see. I am gonna secure some profit if it continue to push down though. But the forex is pushing in the right direction. I see I'm $4 in profit over there. And where are we? I'm trying to get it right. All right, that's right there. I ain't gonna tinker no more. All right, it's 40 ticks. Let's see if we can get 40 ticks out of this. That's just above this 15-minute low. I think that's what price we might be trying to reach to. Yeah, that look right. That don't look too bad. So let's see how this 15-minute candle close. Let's see how the 15-minute candle close. Let's go back to the 3. I ain't gonna tinker no more. I'm gonna leave it alone. The first entry was nice. I should have just left it, but that's fine though. I secured like $50 out of that. That's cool. Securing a little bit will help you sustain some of the losses that you do occur in the future. So this is a flat Hakanashi. That's cool. If we can get 2 of those in a row, that's amazing. 2 of those in a row. That's amazing. Okay, so I might move this one into to about 41 after this candle. What is this? We got 3, 2, 1. Yeah, I should probably move this. Stop loss. Yeah, I should probably move my stop loss on this one. This price could come back up into any of these areas in reverse. Look like that's what it'll look like. In fact, I move it up to $6. But I want to continue to see it push down. I think we'll be okay. Let's check it back on this futures trade. Pushing nicely to the downside. Pushing nicely to the downside. I should have left the first one, or probably should have just added more, like maybe 3 or 4 contracts. Should I? Should I add no more? Because even if price hit down here, that's like what, $300-400, I think, something like that. I don't know. So I'm gonna leave it alone. I'm gonna leave it alone. We should be good. We'll see. We should be good. This is my first official live. You are watching me become a millionaire, whether you know it or not. This is the process. Is anybody watching? I can't even tell. I don't know how to look at these stats yet. No one's watching. Mercy. We're gonna gain y'all attention a little later. I can get used to this. I can get used to trading live. So I'm liking what I see on the 1 hour. I mean on the 1 minute chart as far as the Forex right here. If we can reverse off of this, then I'll be comfortable pushing my stop loss a little bit further down. It's just all about structure. I might even, should I add? I might probably should add to this. I don't know. I'm gonna leave it alone. We 32 cents in profit. This one's pushing down nicely. This one's pushing back down nicely. I got a tighter stop loss, which is cool. Tighter stop loss. I want to see this thing melt, to be honest. I want to see this thing absolutely fucking melt. Melt to the downside, like another 4 candles. Look nice. That look nice. That look real nice. Okay. I might even secure some profit. Give us a small retracement, 3-minute retracement, push more to the downside. Yeah. Let me see what the regular candles look like. Yeah. Just for safety measures, we're good now. We're floating $122. I'll be greedy. Wait, where's that 15-minute low at? I don't want to do it for the. Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna add some more. I'm gonna add one more contract. Stop loss. We're gonna risk a little bit of profit. Stop loss right. Or make $80 or something. That's not a good reward. But fuck it. For another 50. All right, so we just added one more contract. In fact, I'm gonna lower that risk even more. So instead of risking $50, I'm gonna leave. Okay. So we 3 contracts in. 15-minute looking fairly good. Flat Hakanashi. We got a little bit of safety margin, a little bit. We still got 12 minutes before this thing actually closes, and closing price is the only thing that matters. Closing price is the only thing that matters. So I need to leave it alone. I need to not tinker with it. I need to leave it alone. We have a figure safe margin of safety. Leave it alone. Let's see how these 3-minute candles print. I like it. I like. I like it. I like it. It's 7:50 a.m. Only thing about trading West Coast California time is you got to get up early. You got to get up early, man. I used to wake up around 6:15. I used to wake up like 5:45. Like I used to be up hella early before New York open. And it was messing with my psychology a little bit because when you show up to the markets and you have to sit and wait and you're watching candles, it will force you to take trades because you just watching and waiting at that point, and watching every candle, it'll make you jump in, which is why you can't do that. Let the market come to you. Let the market come to your zones, or at least close to them, right? Because I was saying how I thought price was going to come up to that zone, and it didn't necessarily come all the way up there, but it was in the area, and it was starting to give us some bearish sentiment. You saw buyers, sellers stepping in. So that's what made me comment of getting in initially. Then it reversed on us right here. We got a little bit of profit, and then you see it just started dumping. Just started absolutely dumping. All right, so I'm moving both of these right now. Looks like that first one gonna hit. I'm moving that down. Got to secure some profits, guys. You got to secure some profits. So it looks like the first TP might get hit. And we secured a little bit of profit on the other one. Let's see what the 15 minute ain't too bad. Hopefully they don't come back and reverse this. Too bad. We want to see that. Let me see what the regular candles are doing. On the regular candles is giving us a pushback. Don't kick us out. Please don't kick us out. Don't do it. Please don't do it. I would like to see a reverse right here. I see there's a, let me see. It could go all the way up into here too though. Damn. We might be getting kicked out, y'all. We might be getting kicked out. I probably should close one of these. That's the thing, bro. Like you never know. You don't know. We have no idea. And look at that thing came within 1 pip or 2 before closing us out on started reversing. I don't want to get kicked out of the trade. I don't want to get kicked out of the trade. I would prefer to survive. Although we got 20 seconds left. Let's see where it closed though. Oh shit. It's coming for me. We have to trade, y'all. We have to trade, man. Damn. All right. And then it's gonna reverse again. And then it's gonna reverse again. Bad. I'm starting to get. Yep. And then it's gonna reverse again. I'm thinking about getting right back in. That might be it for the day. I still have to manage this this forex trade, but $107. Not promising, but 107 plus that 50, that's about 160. About 160. Not desirable, but now we're starting to push back in that direction. 15-minute candle, I'm sure it's still red. It's giving us a doji actually. What is it giving us? No. The Hakanashi is still Hakanashi flat. Of course, you got 4 minutes before it actually closed. Should I make a third entry? Let's start in the reverse. Yeah, that's a strong doji right there. That is a strong doji. That's a strong doji. So where could price come back? If this is a retracement, where could price come back? All the way up to here? Yeah, price could technically come all the way back up to here and then reverse. Totally possible. Totally possible. Totally possible. If I see a reversal from here, with a pivot, then maybe I might get back in. Maybe. Let's check on our Forex trade. So our Forex trade is doing pretty good. I think I might put this in profit. I'm liking what I'm seeing over here on the Forex side. So I'm gonna drag this down in profit. Yeah, let that thing melt to the downside. I like it. I like it. All right, put it like $1.75 in profit. I don't like that strong candle. Why the candle so strong, bro? Leave me alone, bro. Oh, it's coming to knock us out. I know it. I might as well just close. I should close out now. It's about to kick us out, bro. I knew it. Why that candle so fucking strong? Why that candle had to be so strong? This is why taking some profit or attempting to take some profit works. Because even though if it don't hit your lows down here, you can still clip off a little bit of profit and try to find a better entry. Because that one green candle just kicked us out. I don't even know if that covered the commission. I don't know if that covered the commission, man. So we secured a little bit of profit on the future side. Forex, what was that, $1.75, something like that? I doubt that even covered the commission. We'll see if we want to make another entry on the 1 minute chart. Entry right here probably wouldn't be that bad, actually. Yeah, entry right here don't look too bad. We're looking for a sell. Give me some sell action. See if we can get a red candle closure before we add any. Yep, let's add some risk to the table. Looks like we back in. In fact, I'm gonna drop this. Oh, wait, that's my stop loss. What's stop loss right here? Wait, how many entries do I got? Oh shit! I think we got multiple entries. Don't reverse, bro. Keep your ass down there. Let me refresh real fast. I don't like the spread. I really don't like the spread on Forex, bro. The spread be nasty. The spread be disgusting sometimes. So I like to see these lows swept. Let me see if I can push to take profit down here. I want to see these lows swept, bro. Yeah, okay. I only got one. That's the weird thing about they always want to make retracements in similar areas. Yeah, it's giving us chop. It's just chopping around. Yeah, I should have got in up here. This is where the top of the range is. I should have got in up here. But I mean, you never know with the motherfucker. Like it's been choppy right here. Here. That's exactly what it did too. Cocksucker. Got clipped out on that one. All right, so I'm done. I'm done with. I'm done. Oh shit! What did I do? Share screen. Should I get back in, y'all? Should I get back in, my boy, and go for the downside? Let me see. The 15 minutes still looks strong. Yeah, let's do it. Let's risk a little bit. A little bit. Let's not try to get back too much profit. Let's do one contract. Stop loss here. It's for $60. That's for $60 or so. We're already up 100 and something. Let's do it. Let's do it, boys. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. All right, this is the last one for y'all. It's the last one I got for you. This is the last one I got for you. All right. I'm trying to get this. So we got 11.5 of risk. I probably should have made it even tighter than that, bro. I probably should have made it even tighter than that. I probably should have put it like right here, right above this high for a better RR potential. But that's okay. Got to give it a little bit of breathing room. So look like they got us in at down here. All right, what 15-minute structure are we targeting? Looking for a 1-to-1. No, I want to target these lows. Let's go for a 1-to-2. All right. Now I should leave this alone and just let it do what it's gonna do. Not mess with it at all. We got a little bit of retracement room on the 3-minute. We got 6 minutes and 50 seconds until this 15-minute flat Hakanashi closes. And if we can sweep this low, we already closed out about $60, and we're risking $60 right now. So even if we lose this trade, we're still up $100, and I might be done for the day because my mental capital was kind of spent. That's the thing. You got to know when you so we'll see. We shall see if price gives us. Let me see what the regular candles look like. I'm on Blossom Social right now. Looking at some of the rewards that they give away. Blossom Social is a community for investors. So if you invest in stocks, link in the bio, download Blossom, join the conversation because it's really good over here. Some good folks, very good app, full of stock investors. Stocks is the slow way to get rich. Trading is the faster way to get rich when you discover what you're doing. Emphasis on when. Okay. Shit. They didn't give me the Tony one. Damn it. Look like we're creating a double bottom. Are we going to come back up and retest this high? Am I 1 pip away from safety? Because it could definitely come back up, nick right here, and then drop to the downside. That's what it could do. Or it can keep pushing to the downside, which I hope it does. Okay, that's what I want to see. You can see the higher highs, higher lows, creating microstructure. Yeah, my mental capital is almost spent, y'all. It's almost spent. In fact, I think I'm gonna do a little bit of reading. I think I'm gonna do a little bit of my reading on the Stoics. Currently reading the Daily Stoic, 366 Meditations on Wisdom, Perseverance, and the Art of Living. Worth getting. Worth getting. All right, so it's 8. As we wait, let's read today's passage for the. I'm not sure if I did yesterday's. I'm not gonna read it to y'all though. That's what I'm not gonna do. You can watch the charts. Our duty to learn. Yeah, I read that one already. All right, so let's read today's. Well, let me read yesterday's over again because I don't really remember it. All right, so I'm gonna be patient and just let that run. It's probably take profit or stop loss. I should probably do it like I've been doing it. Move the at some point move the stop loss and profit, and then let the rest run. But right now, I'll be quiet. That's my neighbor walking above us. If you're wondering what that sound is, don't matter where you start, bro. It matters where you want to end up. I understand that my temporary situation isn't my permanent situation. Power of belief. The power of belief. Marcus Aurelius be trying to deliver that knowledge to you, my boy. John Didion. Oh, that's deep. That's deep right there. All right, I guess I can read this part to you. It says character. Joan Didion would write in one of her best essays, the willingness to accept responsibility for one's own life is the source from which self-respect springs. That's deep right there. You can take full accountability of your own life, mistakes you made, you accept them, forgive yourself, love yourself, and continue to adjust and get better. That's what life's about. Accepting everything, the good, the bad, the ugly, the gray areas, and just choosing to keep moving forward. I'm about to move this in the profit. Hopefully we don't get kicked out the trade. I'm okay if we do though. So we starting to lose that profit real fast, man. Yeah, but that was deep though. The willingness to accept responsibility for one's own life is the source from which self-respect springs. Confidence is earned, not only in life, but in these charts as well. You got to go through enough losses to examine the mistakes that you made in the losses in order to find the confidence to continue moving forward. And looks like we might be getting stopped out. If we get stopped out, the video is over. Good trading day, and I'm done. But hopefully we reverse and we continue to the downside. We have a minute and 30 seconds until this candle closes. Yeah, this looks like the video might be over, y'all. It's been fun. It's been fun. All right, I'm done for the day. I'm gonna finish reading this. It might continue to the downside. My mental capital is spent, so I'm done. Maybe you learned something, maybe you didn't. I usually do my analysis from the 15 hour, from the 2 hour. The 2 hour still pushing to the downside. It actually look like it still might push to the downside, giving us that W. Yeah. The 15-minute and the lower time frames are just kicking us out with regular price structure. It might push all the way down here though. That's the thing about it. Sometimes you can't babysit the trades. Maybe I should have just left it alone. Let me see what the 15-minute look like. The 15 minutes still look valid. I probably should have just left it alone. I probably should have just left the motherfucker alone. Which I said I was going to do in the beginning, didn't I? Yeah, I probably should have just left it alone. Price might actually come all the way down here, sweep these lows, and then push to the upside. I probably missed out on a little bit of money, but I like securing something. I don't like losing money, bro. I don't like losing. I really don't. So where did we what happened? $110. That's it. Well, it was still about the same. $160 for the day. We probably left some money on the table. That's okay. That's okay. Drop your questions. Did you catch any of these moves in the Forex? Well, we didn't catch nothing in the Forex. We didn't catch much in the Forex at all. What is Forex doing? Did it reverse and start pushing back to the downside? Yes, it did. So I probably shouldn't have messed with that one either. Don't tinker with the trades. That's the lesson of today. Don't tinker with the trades. Give your trade some room to move and to breathe. Looks like we left a little bit of money on the table, but we still secured a tiny piece of the bag, and that's all that matters.